We are going to follow a series of steps to start making money from Google Translate. In step number 1, I'm going to show you how to use the Google tool to generate cash. In step number 2, I'm going to show you the top 3 websites that will pay you a lot of money. And in step number 3, I'm going to show you my $1,000 per day on autopilot system as a bonus to anyone who keeps watching until the end of this video. But before I start, welcome to Rachel's Money Guide, where I teach you how to make money online the easiest way. Make sure to click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell. We're going to be using the Google Translate tool. Though this tool will not pay you, you will be using this tool and 3 websites I'm about to show you. And these 3 websites are ranked from the lowest paying to the highest paying. The amazing thing about this tool is that you can click here and everything will be typed out for you. And that's what is called transcription. You can even transcribe from English to Spanish or from Spanish to English and other languages using this tool. This tool works perfectly. It just transcribes everything that I said. And there are businesses out there that will pay you for transcription. The best part is you don't need to do any work. Google Translate will do the work for you for free. The first website that I will show you now is not the highest paying website, but we are starting with this website. Simply visit gotranscript.com. This website will pay you 70 cents per audio minute or per video minute. The average earnings on this website is $200, but the top monthly earnings are more than that, which is $1,315. You will be able to get maximum output and do as many transcription jobs as possible. There are also higher paying websites out there that I'm about to show you, but we're going to start with this one. You can use this as either a side hustle or something that you can build into a large income stream with time. So all you need to do is to click on Apply to this job. That's all you have to do to get started with gotranscript.com. They have transcription jobs from home, so you can work from home and get paid reliably, and you will receive weekly payouts. Your money will be sent to you right away. With this website, you can work flexible hours, work as much or as little as you want. So if you have extra time during the day, you can use that. Or maybe if you have a full day, you can invest your time in this and make money. Choose your project, receive great support, grow your skills, stay busy, and just enjoy these transcription jobs with the tool that I showed you. This is a great site to get started with. If you guys are gaining something from this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. The second site is better than the first site. This site is called gmrtranscription.com. This site pays more than the first one, and as you can see right here, this is the founder. You can check out his LinkedIn profile, and as he said, our primary goal is to offer the highest customer satisfaction by providing the best of accurate transcription and translation services. So many big businesses come here to get transcription jobs. The next step you're going to take now is you'll go to Careers and click on it. That will direct you to the next page, and as you can see here, there are thousands of businesses like McDonald's, AT&T, Levi's, Dell, and Amazon working with this company. When you click on Careers, it will direct you to this page right here where it says Transcribe Better, Earn Better. This page also says our transcriptionists typically earn between $1,500 to $3,500 monthly. So when you earn $3,500 from this website and earn maybe another $1,000 from the first website, that will give you a total of $4,500. The last site I'm going to show you pays even more than this, so that adds up. It's very interesting. You can just click here and apply General Transcription or Spanish Transcription. And I know they pay even more than the Spanish transcription, but you don't need to speak Spanish. Just come over to Google Translate to translate to Spanish. Now, if we scroll down, it says no fees or experience needed. Continuous growth and learning. Work from home with flexibility. You can even watch the testimonial of this lady that has made thousands of dollars per month doing this. And this is recommended by different websites. You can see that there are lots of people earning paychecks and enjoying their transcription jobs. You can go ahead and apply here, and it's a great way to get started. The last site that I will be sharing with you is the most reputable transcription site. The name of the site is rev.com. I have personally spent a lot of money on transcription jobs on this site. Here, they charge the most because they have fast turnaround times. Big businesses like CBS, Viacom, PBS are using this site for their transcription jobs. This site charges $1.25 per minute, and they charge even more for foreign subtitles, which is $3 to $7 per minute. Just scroll down, click on Careers, and that's going to open up the freelance jobs. We can see freelancing jobs work from home with the Rev. Earn money transcribing or captioning from home. You can do this from the comfort of your home from anywhere in the world. All you need is the Google Translate tool, your computer, or even your smartphone. Just create a flexible work schedule. You can choose from hundreds of jobs every single day. Work as much as you want and get paid weekly. Receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed at rev.com. At Rev.com, transcriptionists earn 30 cents to $1.10 per minute, and captioners earn 54 cents to $1.10 per minute. Now, if you scroll down to know a foreign language subtitler, they charge $2.50 to $4 per minute. So this is what you want to do because you don't need to know other languages. So as long as Google Translate does the work for you, you can get paid big. And they've been featured in Penny Hoarder, Forbes, and Business Insider. This is a very legitimate website to get started with and earn some money. If you want to see how you can earn money by simply watching ads, click here.